All right, off to a good start. There's Eric. It's a lot slower today because of the rain. Huge rainstorm. This is bad.
Are you moving further in?
I'm gonna move to here.
Oh. It seems like they're just flying just out of range.
Yeah. That's what Kyle was saying. Oh, you're going way down there.
There's no bushes other than this.
Oh. Oh, Eric. We need more mojos.
Oh no, I jammed. I jammed. No way. This one didn't load my gun. He told me there's one in there. Oh my god.
Got it.
Oh, that's not one.
That looked like a pelican, but I think it's a hawk. Dude, it's hot.
It's getting hot, huh?
The humidity is not helping.
No.
We went to that hot tub. Hot
Oh yeah, how
springs.
was it?
It was fun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it
a
was,
cool spot.
It was.
It's like, it's nice because it's real deep and then it's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It felt really comfortable.
Was it hot at night?
No, it probably, well, it was right after the rain, so it was about like 70.
Oh, okay.
And then the water was like 102.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Alicia said she texted you that.
Yeah, on the group chat.
And I was like, oh, they're not gonna want to go when it's super hot. Oh.
It was right after the rain had left. Oh, he's coming.
Thought it was coming this way for a second.
I thought
There
he
you
was.
go.
Where? Damn it.
Oh, heads up.
The forbidden dove. Ow. That was way too high, but it was all right. Oh, Kyle, above you. They were moving again. All right, we got a little, oh. I think we got a white wing on that last one. Oh, I guess not until morning. Did okay. Bird came in fairly close. Now we're hiding over here. Gonna see how this goes. Got our straw hat on. Hiding in the bushes. That bird was coming to me. You're killing me, Smalls. I was shooting a dragonfly having sex. I think we got one. A sitting dove.
Huh?
A sitting dove. I got two.
Eric's got 4.
We beat the over.
Yeah. That right above.
There was one 20 yards closer.
They're all coming to you and you're missing all of them.
I'm a terrible shot this year.
I believe in you, bud.
I got the yips. Okay, come on. Had so many shots of birds, I just keep missing them all. I think that hunting club over there limited out, and I think they're all done, and the birds are going over there. This was overall a fun year. Did okay. We did better yesterday than we did today. I ended up with 12 yesterday and 2 today, so I think we're doing okay. Get out of this heat, go get in the pool, take a break, and then move on. Come back next year or in December. Try it again. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.